Your phone's security features are another realm where AI quietly flexes its muscles. Facial recognition technology used for unlocking your phone is powered by AI. It learns and adapts to changes in your appearance, a new hairstyle, glasses, or even changes as you age. Moreover, AI also powers security protocols that detect unusual activity, like an unfamiliar login attempt, and can alert you to potential security breaches. AI's role extends to managing your phone's battery life. It learns your usage patterns, like when you typically charge your phone, the apps you use most, and when you're least active. Using this data, AI optimizes battery usage so your phone can last longer on a single charge. It's like having a meticulous energy manager who constantly tweaks settings to ensure maximum efficiency. Even in maintaining your phone's connectivity, AI plays a part. It can optimize data usage based on signal strength, switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to maintain the best connection. Additionally, AI algorithms can predict network congestion and switch to less crowded channels, making your internet experience smoother and faster.